The Defence Ministry has again extended the deadline for responding to the request for proposal for Project 75I from December 2022 to August 2023. Russia and France have already withdrawn from the tender, citing the lack of an operational air-independent propulsion system for demonstration, leaving only Germany and South Korea technically meeting this criteria. But German firm ThyssenKrupp Marine System is concerned about the extent of technology transfer and third-party guarantees, and is planning to withdraw from the tender, which could lead to a single-vendor situation. South Korean firm Daewoo Shipbuilding is yet to obtain permissions from the Korean government to share critical technology with India that was developed using government funding. The new extension confirms that the Project 75I situation has not changed much, and foreign firms are unwilling to bid unless few relaxations on the technical requirements are offered. In a significant development, the DRDO has completed the fabrication of an 8x2 truck-mounted variant of vertical launch short-range surface-to-air missile system, and it is now ready to start development trials. The 50 km range VL-SRSAM was primarily developed for frontline Indian Navy warships, but this Air Force variant has been developed as a low-level quick-reaction surface-to-air missile system, capable of engaging aircraft, helicopters, unmanned aerial vehicles and precision-guided munitions, and will provide cover to frontline Air Force bases and area defense cover for S-400 system and MRSAM squadrons that are deployed at strategic vantage points. Indian private sector firm Adani PLR Systems has delivered India-manufactured Israeli MASADA 9mm pistols to the Marcos commandos of the Indian Navy, under a fast-track order that was placed in November 2021 for 500 units. The Army had recently issued request for information for the procurement of 4.25 lakh carbines, in which the front-runner is likely to be the Galley-Lace 21 carbine, that is already being manufactured by Adani PLR Systems in India. Upcoming DRDO Larsen and Toubro developed Zorawar light tank will be getting a Belgian cockeril 105mm high-pressure gun that will be able to fire all types of NATO standard 105mm ammunition, and will also support cannon-launched anti-tank guided missile, a variant of which is already being developed by the DRDO for the Arjun Mark 1A program, that can destroy fixed and moving armored targets, helicopters and fortifications at a distance of 5 kilometers. At a time when Chinese UAV manufacturers have been losing market share in Africa and Asia due to poor performance, a Chinese firm has now showcased a male-class UAV that seems to be copied from the Turkish Bayraktar TB2 design. China might have got its hands on the wreckage of the TB2 airframe from Syria or Ukraine, or from Pakistan that operates Bayraktar TB2, and China is planning to start mass production, seeing the high popularity of the TB2 in the export market. While the 56 C-295 built by Tata and Airbus in India will replace the Avro 748 aircraft of the Indian Air Force, senior officials have said that the Indian Air Force is now considering the possibility of replacing its 90 AN-32 fleet with the C-295. Officials also said that the C-295 is capable of carrying out the roles assigned to AN-32, and while the Air Force is not in a rush to find a replacement, as the AN-32 is up for retirement after 2030, but the Airbus C-295 fits the bill.
Omar dropped it.